Hello class 9. Welcome back to the ITC class. As today we will start from which session 16, in which we have the topic asking the price. In this session, we will study about various methods or sentences used during asking for the price with the shopkeeper. Also, we have the topic articles in this session. So let's start from the article, and before starting our textbook, let's have a small intro of article as we have studied this topic already in our previous classes in the grammar class. So what is article? Articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Let's repeat. Articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. So as we were told in the classes that there are three articles: a, an, and the. Okay. So first let's see the difference between the and the use of a. Means how they create the difference or how they specify the noun as specific or unspecific. So for the, which is specific noun used with specific noun, let's have two examples. First is after the long day. Second is the cup of tea tasted particularly good. Okay, so by using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. Okay, in the example, the cup of tea tasted particularly good means in this sentence we are talking about a specific cup of tea. Okay, not about any or many cup of tea. So article die is used with specific noun. Okay, so let's take again example for the article a. After a long day. Second example is a cup of tea tastes particularly good. In this sentence, on the place of the, article a is used. By using the article a, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste good. Let's see the example again. After a long day and a cup of tea tastes particularly good. So here a cup of tea means any cup of tea, not any particular. In this sentence we are not talking about that specific cup of tea. Here we are saying that a cup of tea tastes particularly good. So in this sentence any cup of tea would taste good. Or after any long day. Here also we are not talking about any specific day. We are talking about any long day. Okay, so in English article is classified into two category. First is definite, second is indefinite. Definite and indefinite. Article the is under definite article. A and an are under indefinite article. So which is the definite article? The is definite article. Okay, and it is used with specific nouns. A and an is indefinite article and it is used with unspecific noun. So definite article limits the meaning of noun to one particular thing. For example, one of your friend is asking, are you going to the party this weekend? Okay, so the definite article used here, the, it tells you that your friend is referring to a specific party that both of you know about. Okay, let's repeat the example again. Are you going to the party this weekend? Okay, here your friend and you are talking about any specific party about which you both are known. Okay, so article the is definite article used with specific noun, and definite article can be used with singular, plural, or uncountable noun. Singular, plural, or uncountable nouns. On the other hand, indefinite articles take two forms, a and an. A is used with words started with consonant other than A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels we have in English, A, E, I, O, U. And other than these vowels, all the letters are constant. So A is used with the words with constant words starting with constant letter. Okay. An is used with words which start with vowel word. A, E, I, O, U. An umbrella. Umbrella is starting with U. U is the vowel. So an is used. Indefinite article indicates that a noun referred to a general idea rather than a particular thing. Okay, indefinite article indicates that a noun refers to a general idea rather than a particular thing. For example, You might ask your friend, should I bring a gift to the party? So here you are not talking about a specific type of gift or a specific item. You are just randomly asking, should I bring a gift? Means gift can be anything. You are just asking, bring a gift to the party. Okay. Indefinite article is only used with singular noun. Indefinite article is only used with singular noun. Okay. Noun should not be plural. But there is an exception to this general rule for a and an, as we have studied that a is used with words starting with consonant letter, whereas an is used with words starting with vowel letters, that is a, e, I, o, u. For example, a girl, an umbrella. Okay, girl, G is constant here, a is used. In umbrella, u is vowel, so an is used. But university, honor, United State, all these are words are sometimes most confusing. So let's see the difference. And honor, the spelling of the honor is Honor. Okay, but as H is constant, why we are using an before it? And honest, Honest. Again, this word is starting with letter H, which is constant. So why we are using an before it? Okay. So answer to this question is that an is used with the words starting with vowel sound, as in the word honest, whether its spelling is Honest, but it is pronunciated as honest, not honest. H is silent na. The word is starting with constant letter H, but we are pronunciating it with O, that is honest. In honor, it is starting with Honor, but we are pronunciating it from the vowel letter which is O. H is silent, honor. So an is used. Okay. Same, an is used with in United States. Here we are pronunciating it as United State. Okay. U, that is ya of Hindi kakha gaga. Okay. This is pronunciated with ya. So we are using a with it. Okay. So let's see the examples. An honor, because it is pronunciated as vowel O, not H. So an is used. An honest, not a honest. Okay. An United State is wrong. A United State is right. Why? Because whether the spelling of this word is United, it is starting with vowel U, but it is pronunciated as ya from the Hindi kakha gagha. Okay. If it is pronunciated with word chota, bada from Hindi kakha gagha, so it must be used and before the word, but it is started with the Hindi word ya. Okay. A university is right, not an university. Again, this is starting from word ya. So there are some other examples like these. You can check whether a or an will be used by pronunciating them. Okay. So let's start from our textbook. How would you ask the price of the book? Excuse me, how much does that book cost? Okay. So this is the method. How would you ask for the price of the book? You will say, excuse me, how much does that book cost? Now, how would you find out the price of some articles that are used daily? Let's understand the correct uses of the article a and the. Okay. A, before singular nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Example, a woman, a bag, a united country, a doctor, a teacher, a horse, a university, a useful item, etc. So you can see now that a is used with singular noun which is starting with the consonant sound, not word, consonant sound. Okay. So examples are given: a woman, a bag, a united country. In united, whether its spelling is starting with a vowel letter, but in pronunciation we are having united country. Okay. a doctor, a teacher, a horse, a university. Same rule here. A useful item. Useful is you, so not an, a will be used before it. And before singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Examples: an Indian, an airplane, an open door, an egg, an upper floor, an honest boy, an enemy, an umbrella, an hair, an ear, an hour, an inkstand, an ice cream, etc. So an is used with nouns which are beginning with vowel sound, as Indian, airplane, open door, egg, upper floor. These are familiar to you. A new word is there, and ear. Spelling is HEIR, and we have to pronunciate is at ear. Okay, so this is vowel. The word's spelling is starting with H, which is constant, but we are pronunciating is at E. Okay. Next is the before particular noun, that is specific. For example, the girl who has long hair, the man in the car, the dog that barked at you, etc. So in first example, the girl who has long hair means we are talking about a specific girl who has long hair. The man, we are talking about a man which is specific here, and he is in the car, the man in the car. The dog that barked at you means here we are not talking about any dog, we are talking about a dog which barked at you, which is specific. The book I wanted is out of print. Okay, so here we are talking about a specific book which I wanted is out of print, not any book, but we are talking about a specific book, so article that is used, not a book. I like the novel you gave me. Here we are talking about a specific novel that you gave me. Let us go to the park for a walk. Before uncountable nouns means these are used before uncountable nouns. More examples are: the banyan is a kind of fig tree. No, do not say a kind of fig tree. Okay, here the banyan is used in the sentence, so a kind of fig tree is given. We cannot individually use a kind of fig tree. Okay, the banyan means we are talking about the banyan. This is specific. The cow is a domestic animal. Can also say a cow is a domestic animal. What is the difference between the two? So in the cow is a domestic animal, a cow is a domestic animal, both are correct, but the difference is that the cow, here the cow is specific, whereas a cow is not specific, and in this sentence two a is used. One is for cow, one is for domestic. Okay. Third is the Himalayas lies to the north of India. Himalaya is specific, so that is used. The Mr. Chauhan you met yesterday is my uncle means specific person who is Mr. Chauhan whom you met yesterday is my uncle. So this is the exercise where we have to fill the conversation, okay, between the customer and shopkeeper. So let's read. Study the following conversation snippets and complete them, asking the price. Customer: excuse me, dash for a kilo of potatoes. Shopkeeper: 10 rupees. Customer: and dash those mushrooms. So let's do from point number 1. Customer: excuse me, how much for a kilo of potatoes? Shopkeeper replied, 10 rupees. Customer again asked, and for those mushrooms, how much? Shopkeeper replied, 20 rupees per packet. Customer asked again, and what's the price of a kilo of paneer? What's the price of half a kilo of paneer? Shopkeeper replied, 60 rupees. Customer said, okay, I will take them. How much for all of them? Shopkeeper replied, you will have to pay 90 rupees. Okay, so asking the price B, you will do it yourself. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Next we have is assessment A. This you will also do it yourself. You have to just fill the given articles in the outside brackets. Okay, don't have to do anything, you have to just fill the articles which are given already. Exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct article. Let's do it in the class. How much does an automatic camera cost? Automatic is starting from the letter A, and it is also pronunciated as automatic. Our word is used here na from the Hindi ka khawaga, so it will be used an. I always buy my clothes from the market near my house. So market near my house is specific, not any market. Here the market is specific, means I buy clothes from the market which is near my house. Third is I bought this phone in, here one dash is missing. I bought this phone in an exchange offer last week. Okay, and will be used before exchange. How much will have to pay for the second hand? Yes, how much will I have to pay for the second hand bike? Okay, what is, here also the one blank is missing. What is the price of this book? What is the price of this book? Okay, I want to eat an orange. How much will I have to pay for one? An orange. And will be used before word orange. Okay. Seventh is how much will I have to spend to reach Kingsway Camp from India Gate in an auto rickshaw? In an auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. It is starting with the letter A, which is vowel, and it is also pronunciated as auto. है ना? वो छोटा बड़ा word from हिंदी का होगा. This is a very pretty. This is a very pretty dress, but it must be very costly. How much does a dozen banana cost? This watch is very expensive. Could you show me the cheaper one? Okay. In this way, you have to fill all the blanks. Exercise C is fill in the blanks with any item of your choice. So as you have to fill here the items of your choice, so you will do it yourself. No need to do this exercise or these exercises in the copy. That's it for today. We will start session 17 from the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.